First comes the Edible Science Candy Lab. Make candy treats that are delicious to eat and packed full of amazing science. Mix a jelly formula to create tasty gummy candies with sweet fruit flavours or super sour taste to tingle your taste buds. Use gelatin to make fruit juice gummies, yogurt gummies, gummy worms and more. Discover the science of crystallization as you make a sugar crystal ring, rock candy wand and edible geode. Make fun chocolate shapes, chocolate rocks and mix up some chocolate dit. The full colour 32-page instruction book includes 40 recipes and science activities to fill your kitchen with sweet tasting science. Edible Science Candy Lab. And remember, there's only one wild science.